Let's review today's objective before we continue with our lesson. We said that we will model how to count on from any number using number lines. Well, let's take a look at this. Let's say that we start with 777. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 7. 700 plus 70 plus 7 is 777. We want to count by ones, tens, and then by hundreds to get to 1,000. So first we're going to start counting by ones. And when we do this, we want to get to a friendly number. And a friendly number is usually something that's a 10 or 100, something that's really easy to work with. So if we count from 777 by ones, and we add one more, we're going to be at 778. We're getting closer to a friendly number, but we're not there yet. If we add another one, we're now at 779. Really close. If we add another one, we're at 780. 780 is a nice friendly number because it has a 10 in it, a nice 10 with a 0 in the ones place. So now that we're at 780, we can count by tens to get to the next friendly number, which is going to be one of our hundreds. Here's what I mean. So if we count by 10, 780, 790. If we do another 10, 790, 800. 800 is a nice friendly number because it's perfectly 100. So now that we're at 800, we can continue counting, but this time by hundreds. We want to get to 1,000. So we have 800. That gives us to 900. If we put on another 1,000, if we put on another 100, 900 plus 100 is 1,000. So we did it. So that means we went from 777 counting by ones, 778, 779, 780. We got to a friendly number. Then we counted by tens, 790, 800, which was another friendly number. And then we counted by hundreds, 900, 1,000. Let's try another example. Our starting number is 934, and we want to count by ones, by tens, and then by hundreds to get to 1,200. Again, we're thinking friendly numbers. So let's start first by counting by ones. 934, 935, 936, 937, 938, we're getting closer, 939, 940. 40 is a friendly number because it's a 10. You can count by tens to get to 40. So now that we're at that friendly number, let's continue to count, but this time by tens. And we're going to get to the next friendly number. So 940, 950, 960, 970, 980, 990. What's next? 1,000. All right, so we got to our next friendly number, which is 1,000. Now we want to count by hundreds to get to 1,200. So 1,000, 1,100, 1,200. So we started at 934, we counted by ones, we counted by tens, then we counted by hundreds, each time finding a friendly number. 940 was a friendly number because it was a 10. 1,000 is a friendly number, and in this case, because it was a 10, because it was the next 100. And then our final number that we got to was 1,200. I want you to try this next one.